Ali & Sons Marine Engineering Factory is part of Ali & Sons Holding, which is over 40 years business in the Abu Dhabi and UAE, and it's a very strong, resilient family business, and which helps us as one of those entities in the group to maintain our performance and maintain our commitment to our clients regardless of the situation commercially or financially. We have set a short and long-term strategies in the past few years, and we are currently delivering those strategies. We're banking on our expertise, knowledge, we're banking on our reputation in the market and the strong support from the group side. It's actually very interesting to know that during the pandemic time, the ship repair business has seen a drastic improve in our work. There's about 60% increase in the ship repair business during the pandemic time. The owners and the vessel owners, the barge owners, the chartering companies, they have actually decided to do the long outstanding maintenance and services, because when the projects were going very smoothly and aggressively, all these vessels and barges were on charter and then on business. During the pandemic, most of the project has slowed down in its progress, so it was about time to come back to the shipyards and do the maintenance. The main reason for us to gain a bigger share market during that time is the competitiveness has been reduced drastically. As I said, Ali & Sons Marine, with its backup of the Ali & Sons Holding, we managed to cruise over this pandemic situation, adding more people, changing our shifting times, working around the clock, adding more transportation. We've done everything that we could do to make our clients happy and to finish on time. As everybody knows, Ali & Sons Marine Factory has a diversified business line. So in the past few years, we were focusing more into the oil and gas, maintaining our ship repair business, which I just said that it has increased and improved in the share market. Our share market has increased and improved in the past few months. However, we have been building on our facility and capability and knowledge, where we have secured a significant number of projects in late 19 and early 20. With the help of our client, with the help of the end users, which is basically ADNOC, we managed to pursue these projects, start the construction works. We can say it was slowly, but it was very steadily. We have all kind of arrangement with our clients and end user to maintain our performance. So, as I said, 2020 was promised to be our delivery year, and we are currently delivering, hoping to secure more jobs in the coming days or months. In terms of capacity, in terms of numbers, till end of 2019, we can say we are still or remain the biggest yard that has ever built power skids and e-houses, with a total number of 120 for different clients. So we have delivered the last 45 skids for BAB integrated projects, and it's all signed off between end of 2019 and early 2020. These skids are ready for delivery. The client is withdrawing the skids from the yard based on the site requirement. So we were very happy on completing that job. While doing that, we managed to secure the 12 e-houses and power skids for the Buhasa projects for our Spanish client, Técnicas Renodas. And this is, as I said earlier, this is the first EPC. We've had a quick turnaround of the engineering and procurement, and in the yard you will see by yourself that the skids construction work started already. With that in place, we still managed to start the modules For the IGD2, we have 16 modules. Those 16 modules are currently under construction. Time again, the client is asked for an accelerated schedule. Now we're working based on that as accelerated schedule. You can always hear this accelerated schedule issue because everybody's trying to make up for the time lost during the early days of the pandemic.